Hello, little dreamers, and welcome to the Sleepytime Garden. It's that special time of day when the sun has yawned and stretched and gone to bed, and the moon has woken up to say hello. Let's get cozy, shall we? Find your favorite spot in bed, pull up your blankets, and let your head rest gently on your pillow. Take a slow, deep breath in ... and let it all out with a soft sigh. Good. Now let's close our eyes and imagine a magical place just for us. Imagine a little wooden gate painted a soft, dreamy blue. It has a tiny, shiny golden handle. This is the gate to the Sleepytime Garden. Let's reach out our hands and gently turn the handle. Click. The gate swings open without a sound, and a warm, sweet scent floats out to greet us. It smells like blooming flowers and fresh, clean air after a summer rain. Step inside with me. The path beneath our feet isn't made of stone or dirt. It's made of soft, springy moss that feels like a velvet carpet. It tickles our toes just a little bit. As we walk, tiny, glowing mushrooms light our way. They pulse with a gentle, golden light, like little heartbeats. Look up. The sky isn't dark and black. It's a deep, velvety purple, filled with twinkling stars that hum a soft, quiet tune. Can you hear it? It's a lullaby just for you. To our left, we see the whispering willows. Their long, graceful branches sway gently in the breeze, and their leaves rustle like secrets being shared. If you listen very closely, you can hear them whispering happy thoughts. They whisper things like, "You are kind," and "You had a wonderful day," and "Tomorrow will be full of fun." Let their happy whispers float around you, making you feel safe and loved. Now let's wander over to the right, towards the Giggle Petal Grove. The flowers here are very special. They have petals in every color of the rainbow, and when you get close, they wiggle and giggle. A little pink flower with a yellow center lets out a tiny chuckle. A tall, purple flower next to it shakes with silent laughter. Their giggles are like tiny bells, tinkling in the soft air. They're happy to see you. Their joy is gentle and calm, and it makes a little smile appear on your face. As we continue along the mossy path, we come to a beautiful, crystal clear stream. This is the stream of dreams. It doesn't babble or rush. It flows slowly and peacefully. In the water, you can see smooth, colorful stones. Each stone holds a happy memory from your day. Maybe you see a bright yellow stone that holds the memory of playing outside, a shiny blue stone for a big hug you received, or a sparkly green one for something funny that made you laugh. You can reach in and touch them, and the happy feeling of that memory will wash over you like the cool, clear water. Let's follow the stream. It leads us to the heart of the garden, where we find the great yawn tree. This tree is ancient and wise. Its bark is smooth and warm, and its leaves are large and soft, like little green pillows. At the base of the tree is a cozy nook, filled with the softest dandelion fluff you can imagine. It looks like the most comfortable bed in the world. Let's go and curl up in it. As you settle into the dandelion fluff, it feels like being hugged by a warm, fluffy cloud. You feel so safe, so comfortable, so relaxed. A friendly little creature, a fluff bunny with long, floppy ears and a cotton ball tail, hops over. It snuggles up beside you, purring a soft, rumbling sound that vibrates through the fluff and makes you feel even sleepier. The fluff bunny is the guardian of good dreams, and it's here to watch over you all night. From our cozy spot, we can see the fireflies dancing. They are not just regular fireflies, they are dream-catching fireflies. They drift through the air, their lights blinking on and off, gently catching any worries or sad thoughts you might have. They hold them in their light, and then, poof! They turn them into tiny, sparkling stars and release them into the purple sky, where they join the others. All your worries are now far, far away, twinkling beautifully from a distance. Now take another slow, deep breath. Breathe in the sweet, sleepy air of the garden. Breathe out any last little bits of wiggles or jitters. Feel your body becoming heavy and relaxed. Your arms feel heavy. Your legs feel heavy. Your eyelids feel so very heavy. The great yawn tree begins to hum its own deep, sleepy song, a sound that feels like a warm blanket for your ears. The giggle petals have quieted down, their petals now softly glowing as they sleep. The whispering willows are murmuring their final, peaceful goodnights. The fluff bunny gives a little yawn, and you feel a big yawn coming on too. Let it out. It's your body's way of saying it's ready for a deep, wonderful sleep. You are safe here in the Sleepytime Garden. It's a place you can visit every night, a place where only happy thoughts and sweet dreams are allowed. As you drift deeper and deeper into sleep, you feel yourself floating gently. The soft moss, the giggling flowers, and the wise old tree are all wishing you sweet dreams. The moon smiles down on you, and the stars continue their gentle lullaby. Know that you are loved, you are safe, and a night of wonderful, restful sleep is waiting for you. Good night, little dreamer, sleep well.